Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my journal, which is the classic size horizontal layout happy planner. I'm going to be using Valiant, so these are some new floral stickers that are available in my shop now. All of my stickers are 50% off. There is no special code needed. The discount is automatically taken. So let's get started. I did not decorate for last week, or actually the current week that I'm filming, and I haven't journaled or written in any of my planners except for my catch-all. I've been really busy trying to get orders out, so all of my orders are caught up and I'm filming videos now. So let's see where we can get started. I kind of think I might want to do something with just florals and no boxes. Let's see if we can accomplish this. I just had a spur of the moment thought. So what I think I want to do is take and just do florals up the center of both pages. So it's really hard for me to do this like properly, line everything up and get them even. So bear with me as I try to do this. We'll see if I can make it happen. All right, so we got that one. And then we're gonna take, let's see, this one. I'm hoping I can get them enough to go all the way to the top. I don't know if I will. I don't know if I have any that are tall enough. It's okay, we'll make it work. We will figure it out. All right, so we have the spine, and then I want to take one more. Let's see, one more, maybe this one. And go and finish up here. Actually, I think I'm going to go here and just cut that off. Maybe stick this down here. Cut this off. Okay, and now the tricky part always for me is cutting down the spine. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, perfect. Now I need to, I'm going to attempt to use my Happy Planner punch, but this may turn out to be a disaster. This thing's probably so dusty because I hardly ever use it, but okay, let's see if we can do this. I have a feeling that my pages are going to get stuck like that. And I think that's because of the sticker paper. So, off camera, I'm just going to show you how to do this in case this happens to you instead of going off camera and doing this. So what happens is these little pieces of that's left over after you punch, they get stuck in the punch. Now let's see if that worked. All right. Might have to do surgery off camera, y'all. This is why I didn't want to use this punch. I can't tell which one is stuck. I'm sure if you have a newer punch, this won't happen to you. It's happening to me because I've probably punched one too many stickers in my punches lifetime. Yep, I'm gonna have to do surgery off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, I survived. It survived. My page survived. It just got sticky. So the same thing is probably gonna happen with my crocodile punch that I'm gonna use here in just a minute, but all I'm doing now is just cutting out what the punch left over. So just all these little pieces I just cut out. Now for this side, let's take my crocodile punch. I don't know how this is going to work because I don't have a hole punch open, but let's just try it. And then my crocodile always ends up leaving pieces stuck in my page too, because that's what happens when you cut stickers. Everything gets gummy over time. And I don't really know how to clean the gumminess off. So we'll just cut out the little pieces just like I did a minute ago. All right, and then we're gonna go here and cut this one. Maybe I should start cutting upside down, or like with the page upright, because that cut all the way through. So maybe I've learned something today. So try that if you're doing a spread like this. Try to cut with your stickers facing up and see if maybe that helps with the gumminess. I actually never thought of that before. So maybe that's a trick. Hopefully I'll remember it next time. Okay, now we have this little piece. This is just a pain, which I knew it was going to be a pain when I started, but it'll be worth it because this spread's so pretty already. All right, so that one and then this one. Okay, now let's get all the little pieces off my desk. Okay, we survived. All right, so now I think all I'm gonna do is take some washi tape and just decorate with some washi. So let's see what we can do here. I think what I want to do is take some of this washi and cut it in half, or rip it in half actually. It's a slow process, but it's therapeutic to decorate planner spreads. It is for me anyways, and I'm sure if you're watching planner videos, decorating videos, it's probably therapeutic for you as well. So, all right, so we're gonna go here. It's a little crooked. And here. Okay. And then I think I want to take and come this way. And I think I kind of want to do angles. I don't like that, the blunt cut look. Okay, and then we'll do the bottom and here. So we'll do opposites here on this side. So let's do over here. I'm going to rip this one in half. I got sticker pieces everywhere. Okay. Oops, stuck to my finger. Okay. So now we're going to start on this side over here. I pulled that a little bit too tight, so it's going to kind of curl my page, but it's okay. Over time, it'll kind of flatten out. And then let's see, we're gonna go this way. And then we're gonna take this one down on this side of the bottom. Cut that angle. All right, and then I think I want to take this piece and slide it over a little bit to the edge. It's going to cover up the florals just a tiny bit, but it's okay. I'd rather it be on the edge like all the other sides. All right, now I'm going to take some blue. So I have this blue skinny washi. It has a little bit of gold in it. If I can find the end. This is some of the washi that I bought on Amazon, so the link should be down in the description box for you. And I'm going to try to just do a little bit underneath this pink. I don't know if I like that. I honestly don't know that I like the pink. All right, so here's where you get to see me start over. I'm going to use a more plain peachy pink color. Let's try that. So let's see, here we go. So this is one of the ones off of Temu, but then there's also these that I found on Amazon. So that's kind of like the same color. I'm just going to use this one off of Temu. It's a little bit wider. You can find this washi tape in that Temu video. If you'll just scroll up a little bit in my videos, you should be able to find that Temu haul video and find the washi there. So let's cut this. This may actually be too wide. I don't know, this might be a spread of indecisions. Let's just try. Ah. I think it's too wide, actually. I think I'm going for that skinny one. Or not skinny one, the skinnier one that I got from Amazon. So yeah, this is the spread of indecisions. But it's okay. All right, so let's try this one. Now, if I can find, there we go, the start. And I'm going to go longer with it. Let's go longer with it and see what happens when we put the blue down with it. I think the blue with the gold is going to be the prettiest part of this spread, to be honest. And I think that's kind of what convinced me to switch up my washi, because look how pretty that is now. The blue with the gold and then that little stripe of pink. I love it. So yeah, this is my favorite part of the spread, is the washi tape. And then I think I'm going to try both at an angle there. And yep, I love it. Okay, I'm glad I made that change. So now let's go here and do the same thing, only the opposite direction. And we're going to go almost to the end. Did I go? I went all the way down. My big fingers are so clunky trying to do this. Okay, and then we're going to take the blue, lay you down, take the blue and do the same thing here. I'm going to try not to have to cut the blue since both of these are already cut at an angle. There we go. I just found a piece of sticker that I didn't cut off. So let's cut this off. Okay. Time to clean my scissors again. Yeah, look how much prettier that is with the gold washi. I love it. All right, so now let's do opposites. So we're going to go here and here. Yep, so we're gonna go this way. Do this one at which angle? This angle. And then the blue. Blue and blush pink, like navy blue, dark blue, and blush pink, looks so pretty together. Such a pretty combination. All right, and then we're gonna go this way. So let's go this way. That's not the right one. Almost grabbed the wrong washi. Okay, and we'll do the blue. I kind of like the look of the uneven angles, but since I didn't do it on any of the other washis, I'm not going to do it here. But in hindsight, I do like the way that that looked when I did the angles like staggered off of one another. Okay, so now what I need to do, I think, is I feel like I need a little something else. I just don't know what. Maybe not. I kind of wish I'd have used the white stickers. They would have stood out more. That's why I'm really liking the white sticker paper now more than the clear, because these florals would have popped just as much as the washi tape. So if you want to do something similar to this, get the white background stickers. Don't get the clear. The colors just pop so much better with the white background. But I think I'm actually going to be done with this spread. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like on the discs. So I do have plenty of room to write. Sorry, I'm distracted. I'm trying to put everything away. So yeah, I have plenty of room to write for my journal this week or next week. I like the way it turned out. Like I said, in hindsight, I would have used the white paper stickers instead of the clear, but I think it's still really pretty, and I have plenty of room to write. No need for me to enter or put in like a piece of paper, a fill paper, to continue writing the days. I think I'll have plenty of room for this week. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. So that is it. Like I said, the stickers, all stickers on my website, pleasantlyplanned.com, are 50% off. So head over there and grab your stickers and decorate beautiful spreads for yourself. So that's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.